Hello student, in previous lecture we learned about the energy from different food components like proteins and lipids. But the vitamins, water and fibers, these are also food components which are very important for our body. So today we learn about the importance of vitamins, water and fibers. Let's start the first component, vitamins. We all of know the vegetables and the fruits are the rich sources of vitamins and minerals. See, what is mean by vitamins? Vitamins are a group of heterogeneous compounds essential for the proper functioning of various processes in the body. In our body, there are different processes, and for proper working of these processes, the vitamins are very important component. There are mainly 6 types of vitamins. Vitamin A, B, C, D and K. Out of these vitamins are distributed into 2 types, fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. The vitamin A, D, E and K are fat soluble vitamins and vitamins B and C are water soluble vitamins. The vitamins are very important in the processes like glycolysis and Krebs cycle. We already learned about the FADH2 and NADH2 are produced in the process of glycolysis and Krebs cycle. In this, the vitamins like riboflavin are necessary for the production of FADH2 and the nicotinamide, that is vitamin B3, are essential for or necessary for production of NADH2. The riboflavin means vitamin B2 and nicotinamide means vitamin B3 are very important vitamins. You know, deficiency of vitamins are causes many diseases. Let us discuss some common diseases due to deficiency of vitamins. Let's see some examples. Many times you cannot eat spicy food due to inflammation or ulceration in the mouth. Hot causes mouth ulcer. For curing this mouth ulcer, we eat the B complex tablet. You know about the B complex tablet. This B complex tablet contains B12 vitamin. So, the cause of mouth ulcer is deficiency of vitamin B12. The second example, some persons experience difficulty in night vision, means they cannot see the objects clearly in night. The name of this disease is night blindness, and this night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Next disease, beriberi. Beriberi is a nerve disorder in which muscles becomes weak and numbness in hands and feet are observed. Means our muscles cannot perform the regular work and our hands and feet are not working properly. This beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B1. The next disease, scurvy. The symptoms of scurvy are bleeding gums and weakness and rashes on the skin. The scurvy is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. For getting proper amount of vitamin C, our diet includes the citrus fruits like lemon. See the next disorder, rickets. Rickets is the disorder in which the skeletal deformities are observed. This ricket is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. So, we also include vitamin D in our diet. The sunlight is the most abundant source of vitamin D. Next, pellagra. Pellagra is a disease characterized by diarrhea, dermatitis, and dementia. These are the consequences of pellagra. It occurs due to result of vitamin B3 deficiency. Next disorder, neuritis. Neuritis is an inflammation of nerves. The symptoms includes a pain and pins and needle sensation, numbness and weakness. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B12. Sometimes the people of anemia reports feeling weakness and their skin looks like pale. It is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B12. These are various disorders which are caused due to deficiency of different vitamins. To avoid the occurrence of such diseases and to be healthy, we must include food sources in our daily diet which can provide us enough quantity of vitamins. Let us find out how much quantity of vitamins is needed for our body every day. For its a smooth means proper functioning. See, this chart shows recommended daily intake of vitamins. Remember, these are average values. Actual quantity may depend upon the person's age, sex and other factors. From all this, we conclude that vitamins are very important food component. Let's learn the another important food component, water. We call water is a life. Why we call water is life? See the importance of water. See, there are about 65 to 70% of water in our body. Also, each cell of our body contains 70% water weight by weight. Means there is a large quantity of water in our body. The important component that is blood. Our blood plasma also contains 90% of water. Functioning of cells and whole body get disturbed even if there is a little loss of water. And that is why we feel dryness in our mouth whenever we are thirsty. Hence, water is also essential nutrient. Sometimes you experiences loose motions. What will you suggest? In loose motion, there is a considerable loss of water and also electrolytes means minerals. Therefore, to replenish water and electrolyte, we should get ORS. ORS means oral rehydration solution in sufficient quantity which contains salt, sugar and water. After getting ORS, we feel comfortable. We sweat more, especially in summer season. Also, whenever we are involved in a physical labor. Because of this, body temperature rises. To lower down body temperature, sweat gland secretes sweat, which on evaporation lowers down body temperature. This leads to water loss in the body. Therefore, to meet our body's requirement, we should always drink sufficient quantity of water. Let's move about one more important food component, that is fibers. We learn about carbohydrate, proteins, lipids, vitamins and water. But do you know that fibers is an also essential nutrient? The sources of fibers are vegetables, fruits, cereals and sprout. From this we get more fibers. These fibers are mostly present in peel of the fruit. But we cannot digest fibers. but they are also helpful in the digestion of other substances and also helps in the digestion of undigested food. You know the process of digestion. After digestion, some substances or unwanted substances are thrown out through the body. This process is called as digestion, and for proper digestion, the fiber helps in this process. Therefore, we can always include leafy vegetables, fruits, cereals in our daily diet as they are good sources of fibers. This way, we learn about importance of vitamins, water and fibers.